this is how to register. Okay, once you've gotten the link, just copy the link, go to your dApp browser. This is my Trust Wallet, you can see. So you go to your dApp browser, then inside the search box you paste in the link there. That's my referral link. Then you click on search, okay, or done or enter, whichever one is on your phone. So it's still loading. Once it has loaded, click on connect wallet. If you're using Trust Wallet, click on Trust Wallet. If you're using MetaMask, click on MetaMask. Then click on this network to change your network to BNB Smart Chain. Okay, BNB Smart Chain. Then you click on connect. Click on launch web. Can you see here where it says launch web? Click on launch web. So once you click on launch web, you wait until when everything is fully loaded before you proceed with your KYC. Okay, so it's still loading. Now you can see that my referral address has not yet shown. It's still loading. You wait until the referral address is shown before you begin to fill in your details. If not, it will not allow you to register. Okay, just wait. Can you see that my referral address has been displayed? Now what you need to do is to proceed with your registration with your full name, with your KYC. Okay, can you see that it says user profile saved, right? So that's how to complete your KYC.